going, everybody? So we stopped off at Margot there. I was telling these guys about the cocktails that they have, the wee pouches. Now, I've never ever seen those before. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but any ones I've seen have been in the big bottles, the liter bottles. So the guys there kindly let me over a couple of their cocktails. So there's a collection service at the minute, and they're going to be doing it because it's been quite successful this week. They've sold out entirely, and they're going to be doing this every Friday now. So when you go down to collect them, there's the wee table, hand sanitizer, all the usual stuff. You stay 2 meters away from them. They leave the bag in the thing, and you take that away. Okay, so it's fully safe when you go down. The two cocktails I'll be trying are the Zombie, which is one of my favourite cocktails. Usually absolutely blows the head off me. And the Daisy one, okay. So you can actually see those two in the ingredients, and we'll give the full lesson for you all on the Margot page, which I'll link here. So I'll be doing like a sort of cocktail shake along. What do you call a cocktail sort of making thing? I don't know. I'll be doing a video anyway on how to make the cocktails tonight. Very, very easy. Coming in pouches with a wee garnish at the top, okay? So tune in later to see what they turn out like. But I'm sure they're nice. They look lovely. The ones they had on the photos on their page looked amazing too. Okay, so yep, tune in later and cook up some cocktails. Make up some cocktails. How's it going, everybody? So, as promised, I'm just going to show you quickly how to make these drinks. Now, one of them does sort of recommend that you put it into a blender, okay, until it's a little bit slushy. I think that's a suggestion, okay, because it's a Zombie, okay, so I can also shake it over ice and it'll sort of still have the same result as well. So, I'm going to do it that way instead because our blender's a bit shit, to be honest with you. So this is all you really need, okay, so you get these wee pouches, as I said earlier, alright, so this is the Daisy. You can see some of the ingredients in that too. You've got a little garnish at the top, you just snip that off. And this is the Zombie with the same and even a wee cocktail umbrella in it. What you really need is some ice, my cocktail shaker, trusty one, the wee strainer I've got, and also 2 highball glasses for each of the cocktails. Okay, so start by putting some ice into the shaker, then pour in the actual cocktail itself. So I made like a nozzle here. Roll this in here. Whack on the lid, which I'll do in a second there. Then I'm going to shake this up. Can't show it because I'm doing one-handed. But yeah, you get the picture. Shake it because you want those sort of ice particles getting into the cocktail and just cooling it down a bit, and it makes the nice foam that you get from shaking up too once you pour it. As you can see, nice and foamy. I did that for about 15 to 20 seconds, quite vigorously, and I'm just going to pour it now with the strainer. And that is the Zombie. Now I just have to taste it. Okay, so you just basically, I won't bore you with the details of this one, but you just do the same one. Same thing for that, okay, so just put this in here, put that in there, shake it all up, pour it over a highball glass, and then put the garnishes on top, whatever way you want. So this one you purposely put a little bit less ice in so it doesn't reach the top, because you're going to top it off with this sort of water to get that lovely foam, and then garnish. And there you go, that's the Daisy. Now I've tasted the Zombie and it tastes amazing, so I'm assuming it's going to taste quite the same.